So hello guys, welcome once again to a new video. This one would be a really short one since I'm revisiting this Dolce Gusto OBLO machine. Now finally I can say that I managed to finally find the solution for it. It's finally fixed. And yeah, just wanted to share with you what was the actual problem. So if you remember the first video that I make, and I will make a link of that video in the comment section below, or in the description, sorry. It was actually, the button was turning red, then flashing amber, and then back to red, and the pump was not working no more. So I tried different solutions, tried everything. Yeah, and eventually I also changed this MOSFET here, but yeah, it was not the problem. And what I found now for the fix is that the actual button, yeah, plate, or how to say PCB, had a little bit of corrosion on the actual connection on it. And yeah, after I soldered this connection, sorry about the bad soldering, but yeah, they are doing their job. I made again the soldering. I will put some hot glue on it, and of course, it, at least I didn't got the code anymore. It went from red to green. The heater was heating, and then thanks to another viewer of my channel, I got the information that this component, which is actually, I don't know if you can see here, it's MS214, and it's located somewhere here in this area, and the connection goes here to hold. It states it's hold on the PCB. This was also faulty. So what I did, I have jump started the cables between, and now everything it's working. So yeah, just to show you that it's working, let's put it here. So now it's heating. Now it's green. And if we switch it on hot water, the pump is working. And again, reheating the unit. Of course, I will not let it do anything because it doesn't have any water and the pump will get hot. But yeah, finally, this is finally repaired. So once again, thank you to the ones that gave me the idea, at least this hold jump start, how to do it. I don't remember his name, but I will write it here. So thank you, guy. Thank you for this hint. Okay, so if you have this problem, now you can at least have an idea what to fix on it. I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, see you in the next repair one. Okay, bye bye.